What 2024 goal naman did you not achieve that you are most bummed about?
Obviously, the fitness journey. Because I plan to lose some weight sana. Because I'm overweight I plan to sana maging
Tahimik lang ako
normal.
dito, te.
Normal weight.
Mine is the same. Ayun na
Diba,
nga.
ang hirap.
Ang nilagay ko sa vision board ko, ati, ay lose 100 pounds. Dalawa ba yun? So, ayun.
Baka one lang.
I believe na, one lang talaga. Ewan ko ba kung bakit may dalawang zero doon ba din. Hi, I'm Judy.
Hi, I'm Liza.
And welcome to Community!
So today we'll create our own vision board while making chika. So ito ang ating materials. So we have art paper.
Colored paper ate! Meron din tayong scissors!
Be careful, kids!
Don't run with scissors!
Okay, and we
Arte.
also have, ano daw to?
Double-sided tape.
Double-sided
ate.
tape. Scotch tape lang kasi alam ko.
And pwede rin tayong mag-bedazzle with a
Ay,
gem.
arte, with a Taylor Swift
I believe.
vibe. Diba?
Yes. And then of course, our goals. Hindi mo
Oh,
natin
yes.
papakita yan.
Ito pa yung mga color pens.
Yes.
Like
yes.
a pencil.
And lastly, our... Oh, ano yan, te?
Our-
Ano to, te?
Board. Cork.
Our cork boards.
Cork board.
Yes.
Okay, so let's start creating our vision board. So we have the colored paper. Gagawin na
Yes.
namin yung background.
Background muna.
And then, while making chika, of course. So, Miss Judy.
Nakakatakot, te. Ano ba yung questions mo, te?
Ito na, kasi yung question is,
Oh.
do you normally set goals? And how important is it to set goals for you?
Yes, of course. We set goals. Kasi yung goals natin would serve as our parang lighthouse. Without, diba? Lighthouse!
Lighthouse!
Like, without it, wala tayong guidance. Parang very very free flow.
Free
Diba?
flowing
So,
like an ocean.
Kung meron tayong goals, meron tayong something to inspire us by.
Oh.
Diba? Something
Correct.
for us to try and hit. Ayun.
Uh-huh.
Ikaw, ate. Do
Hala.
you set goals and how important is it for you?
Yes, of course we set goals and it's very important so that we know like the path that we're gonna take into ganyan. And at least you can think about yung diskarte mo kung paano mo ma-reach yung
Plano
goals
mo.
mo. Like yearly, ganyan. Siyempre, yun din yung what drive us by, ganyan. Sa daily life, at least kapag naisip mo yung goal mo na, ay, yayaman ako, ganyan. Eh di, alam mo na kailangan mo work harder and smarter. Okay guys, mga be, tapusin lang namin ang aming background. Medyo wala pa siya sa kalahati. Kaya, ilalaban na muna namin.
Okay, ito na yung background namin!
Hindi pa tapos yung akin.
Hindi, okay lang. We can keep working on it. But I have a question for you,
Come
ate.
Okay.
My question is, what 2024 goal did you achieve this year that you're most proud of?
Most proud of maybe is yung travel. And because this year, nakapunta ako sa Japan with my parents during my birth month. So, nung August. So, it was really like by far the biggest achievement kasi yun yung dream ko to bring my parents sa Japan because dream country yun ng parents ko, lalo na ng dad ko.
Yeah.
And they are senior of the world. Senior citizen. Senior citizen. So, di ba? Pero laban sila for the walk, ganyan.
for
Kaya
the walkathon.
habang kaya pa at least na nadala ko sila doon and may energy pa sila ganyan to roam around and tour. So, ayun, biggest achievement ko siya this year. And super proud of myself. Thank you.
Yes!
Thank
Congrats,
yourself.
ate. And also, favorite country ni Daddy, ang Japan, di ba?
Is correct.
True.
Diba?
Kaya I can only imagine.
Super,
how happy
super
he
happy.
was.
And
Awesome!
Yes! And how about you, Miss Joy?
Ako, ate, ang proudest achievement ko for the year ay losing 100 pounds. I wish! Charot
Okay,
lang,
naman siya.
ate. It's gaining 100 pounds, I believe. Hindi. Part kasi part ng vision board ko for this year was, to have more time for family. So yun, I guess. I mean, travel, that was part of my my vision board for this year too. I wish I could have traveled more than I did this year, pero syempre, as a mom, medyo may mahirap i-schedule, kumbaga. Gusto kong kasama si Alonzo, but I can't dahil may pasok
Sa
siya,
school.
ganyan. So, but I was able to do some traveling naman. At least one international travel, five domestic.
Oh,
bilang
yes.
lang, prepared eh. Pero, binilang. Pero hindi, at least, diba, may ganun. But, yung time with family, time with Alonzo, most especially, I really think, and that's super important for me then, syempre, as a mom, too. And that's the reason why I started working from home, para, diba, I'd have more time for him. So,
More
yeah,
time.
yun. Mas lalo ngayon. Kasi, lalo, mas na-appreciate niya na ngayon dahil lumalaki na siya. So, I guess that would be it for me, at least for now, Ati.
Perfect.
Yeah. Ayan, so kamusta naman ang vision board mo dyan,
Guys, ito
Ati?
struggle. Struggle tayo, guys!
Pero almost there.
Konti na lang, di ba?
And ako naman, ipapaste ko na lang yung mga pictures. Siyempre, ganun pa rin yung background ko eh. Ipapaste ko muna yung pictures at
Sana
i-design.
all.
Ganyan. So, another question, Liza. So, what 2024 goal naman did you not achieve that you are most bummed about?
Obviously, the fitness journey. Because I plan to lose some weight sana. Because I'm overweight I plan to sana maging
Tahimik lang
normal.
ako, tete.
Normal weight. Kasi medyo, syempre mas gusto ko rin yung para health is wealth ang
True.
atake. Kasi mahirap din magkasakit. So,
Yeah.
and gusto ko maging active. Ang goal ko pa nga sana this year is ang tawag dun, Spartan, ang atake.
Yeah.
Ano nangyari?
For the travel test.
Travel lang. Puro travel. Wala nang movement. Though lang, mga walk, ganyan. Pero very bummed talaga ako kasi parang nag-gain pa ako at the end of the year, di ba? Parang, grabe naman, no? Pero ang sarap kasi kumain, guys.
True.
Diba? I know you can relate, di ba?
Yes.
So, ayun. Yun ang pinaka hindi ko na-achieve na gustong-gusto ko sana this year. Sana 2025, let's get it.
Yes.
How about you, Miss Jairi?
Nako, te.
What is it?
Mine is the same. Ayun na
Diba,
nga.
ang hirap.
Ang nilagay ko sa vision board ko, Ati, ay lose 100 pounds. Nagbabayaw. So, ayun.
Baka one lang.
I believe nga, one lang talaga. Ewan ko ba kung bakit may dalawang zero doon ba din.
Wala, kasi dyan.
But, ayun nga ang nangyari. Yun ang ganap. So, at that time kasi, nagda-diet ako at that time. I was losing weight. Kahit pa konti-konti. So, sabi ko, baka naman, kaya ko i-push to 100 by the end of the year. And, hindi siya natupad, te. I believe dumagdag, te. Kasi, yung partner ko and I, we've been exploring different cafes, different restaurants. Na part din ng vision board ko ba din? So, medyo nag-contradict
maganda.
sila. Yes. So, dahil doon, parehas kaming nag-gain. Kaya, hindi siya natuloy, hindi siya nasimulan. Kaya, ayun, that's what I'm most bummed about. Yan ang most bummed about ako.
Ayun na nga. So, bawi tayo next
Bawi tayo sa next
year.
life. Sa next life na tayo.
Next
Masarap
life.
kumain, te. Charot.
Next year as in 10 days. Ganun.
In 10 days. Start na ulit ng diet. Ganyan. Saka workout. Para para long
Active
life.
life.
Exactly.
Ganyan.
Ganon.
So, next question naman, Miss Joyly.
Mhm.
Without giving away details of your 2025 vision board yet, would you say your goals this year are more ambitious or more realistic compared to last year?
Well, Ati, knowing what I know now, I believe mas realistic na ako magsaset ng goals. Kasi sabi ko last year 100 pounds. This year sabi ko mga 500. Ganon. Mga ganon. Para ano, para
negative
sure.
waistline.
Ganon. Hindi. Siyempre yung mas realistic na. And this time around, sabi ko sa sarili ko, sabi ko self. Sabi ko,
self.
Sabi ko, along with that goal, lalagyan ko na talaga siya ng action plans. Dahil noon, puro goals lang si Badeng nang walang action plans. And goals without action
is without plan.
plans. Sabi ko sa'yo, te. So yun, that's it for me. Ikaw?
Without giving away details, realistic pa din naman siya, I believe. This year, I believe, kaya naman siya ma-achieve, no? Yung goals ko for this year. Kasi, it's, realistic, and all I need is the will of, determination.
The will of the wind, I believe.
Will of what?
The wind.
Will of fortune.
Ayun na nga.
Yun lang. So, hopefully, di ba, sa ating lahat, kayong mga viewers,
Yes.
So guys, tapusin lang namin yung board namin, and then we'll get back to you in a second. Okay, we're done with our vision board.
Yes. Ito na siya. Charot.
Ito na siya, ganyan na lang. Okay, let's do the revelation.
The reveal.
The reveal. Okay.
In 3, 2, 1. Ayan, you guys can see, hindi kami yung most artistic.
True.
But, it was made
Pwede
with
na siya.
love and care.
And ambition.
Ayan, so this is my vision board. Patawarin nyo ako dahil hindi ako creative, but I have 4 things on here. The first one is health. Again, last year I set 100 pounds. This year I'd like to lose at least 30 to 40 pounds, and really with a different mindset this time around. I really think I'd be able to hit that, and that's the goal for this year. The next one is, there is a pink luggage here. My ultimate goal in life is to have a pink luggage. It is to travel more. Gusto ko makapag-travel much more this year, with my kid, with my partner, with my family. So I put this on here. Meron na akong planned travels this year, just a few. Hindi pa rin papantay sa travels mo, Ati, but ayun, yun. That is part of my goal for this year. The next one, Ate, this is mine. The next one is, another ultimate goal in life is to have 10 children. Charot! I would like to have more family time. So, I know this year has been a little bit more different. Last year has been a little bit more different. I was able to spend much more time with Alonzo, but this time around, I know I can do more. And this is not only for Alonzo, but also to my mom, my dad, my sisters, my brothers, ganyan. So there, family time. And then lastly, finances. I'd like to plan my finances better this year. So, ayan ang aking vision board. Your turn, Ate.
Okay. Hi! Okay, for my vision board, as you can see, I Bejeweled by Taylor Swift. So, here, so first one is more hobbies. So, I want to get busy this year, maybe enroll to a course like fashion styling, like that, or get into. So, I've tried pottery already, and I want to learn further. So, pottery and then painting, kasi hindi tayo masyadong galing mag-drawing ba. So, improve natin yan for ourselves. And then, yan, more hobbies, and then, of course, more travel. So, I've been traveling non-stop. Habang kaya pa, habang nasa prime, ganun. And not just solo travel, but also with my parents. Maybe, hopefully, Australia with my parents, and then outside Asia. So that's it. And then for the next one is health. So I've said last year I will join Spartan. Medyo ano siya, mahirap siya eh. So this year maybe we can start like training, maybe weightlifting, something like that, or CrossFit, and also lose some pounds and hopefully achieve the normal weight. So yeah. And then, of course, the last one is new business. I want to have more like income because sobrang gastadora ang gay. So kailangan natin ng business, no? Para aside from like working, I can have other streamline of incomes, ganyan, and getting busy pa, and also that's it. That's it. This is my vision board, Miss Joy.
Perfect.
So, ayan. I hope you like the gems. Yung design. So, we have a couple more questions here.
Yes.
So, Miss Joy, are you ready?
Wala man akong choice. I am ready.
Okay. So, what would you do differently this year to make sure you hit your 2025 goals?
Ayan, this year nga, as I mentioned earlier, I would set more actionable items. Ganyan. Para hindi lang siya goal, meron siyang kahit simple checklist that I need to do,
yes.
I need to hit,
Correct.
para sure akong ma-hit ko yung goals ko this time around. And you, Ate?
For me, what I'll do differently, maybe focus more on this vision board. Kasi to be honest, this is reachable naman siya, especially the health. So hopefully I can be more like consistent when it comes to like exercising and then training so that I can achieve my goal weight.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe not this year, but at least I can lose a couple, maybe. A couple of kilos. Ganyan.
Bawi na lang next year ulit kung ano.
Year pala. Hindi. So, kailangan natin mag-focus talaga.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Yes. And also kasi, ano na siya eh, dati pa-canva lang tayo. Ito, makikita natin to anywhere we go.
Oo, yun nga.
So, mas madali tayong ma-remind. So, really, I would recommend that you guys create a vision board as well.
Yes.
Para maka-help sa goals nyo in life.
Put nyo siya
Ganyan.
sa habang nag-work
Sa
kayo.
rest eh.
I believe gawing medal everywhere.
True.
Ganyan.
Okay, last question, Liza. How do you think coconut can help you achieve your 2025 goals?
I believe Coconut Bay can help by like staying as is, because we have Coconut Bay have a really great community and also like pretty laid back, chill work environment where you can talk to anyone, especially HR, our very hype man HR.
Yes.
So Coconut VA will definitely help me just staying as is, really, like having a good community. We also have like, especially I really love the Slack channel where everyone can help each other. If you have like, if you need tools, something like that, you can just ask away on that specific channel. So yeah, I think that's it for me on how Coconut VA can help me.
Very English yun, Tay, and good job! Okay. Well, for me naman, I mean, of course, the financial stability will always be there. I really love that about Coconut VA.
Of
and
course.
on top of that, hindi delayed ang payments.
Yes!
So,
Minsan
yeah.
advance pa, di ba?
Most of the time, advanced siya. So, aside from financial stability, I really love how we hold each other accountable. I guess part na rin yun sa... diba? Accountable for the whole. I believe, part na siya ng having that kind of community. Kasi, hindi lang puro work. We also have yung ganyan na we talk about travels, we talk about health and wellness. Ganyan. We even have free trainings and discussions about yung mga ganyan, financial wellness, yung health and wellness, ganyan. So that's also very important for us. That would also help out with my journey here sa vision board ko. Doon naman, another thing sa finances, how Coconut VA can help is mag-ambagan kayo for me. Charot lang. I mean, if piso-piso isa, ilang na VAs natin.
I mean, kahit go 100.
O, diba? I believe. Baka mag-travel ako agad-agad nun. Hindi. Pero, yeah, and then for the travel time naman kasi, there is work-life balance. Ang perfect ng work-life balance. Hindi kayong pagka-log out mo, parang hala, isip mo pa yung work mo, or you'll get messaged or contacted outside of your work hours. You get to really maximize your time with your family after you're done with your shift.
And with peace of mind.
Exactly, which is super, super important. So yun, that's it for me.
So guys, we're done! So, dapat kayo din, no? So, comment below your top 3 goals and at least we can know and see kung ano-ano ang mga vision nyo for this year.
And don't forget to join the Coconut VA community. You can check out the link below and mag-apply na, guys.
So guys, that's it for us today.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in our next video.
Bye!